So do you also want to find and nurture LinkedIn leads? Then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can find and nurture LinkedIn leads automatically using Pabbly Connect. So let's see how this can be done. For that you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can nurture up to 100 of leads using Pabbly Connect for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So as you can see that I have sent this automated WhatsApp message to my LinkedIn lead, and let's see how this can be done. For that you just have to open your workflow builder, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. And how are you going to open this workflow builder? For that, just log in inside Pabbly Connect, come on a dashboard, click on create workflow and open this. Now click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as LinkedIn, and now select it over here. For the event, select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now what you have to do, make sure that your LinkedIn account is logged in, otherwise Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your LinkedIn account like this, and you just have to enter the account credentials and log in. And once you have logged in your account, just click on this refresh fields if you don't find the sponsored account. Once this sponsored account will appear, just select your sponsored account and click on the save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. For that, we have to just submit this lead form using which we are collecting the lead details. So what happens is that over here I am running a test campaign. That's the reason that when I open this lead form, you're going to see first name, last name and company name is already filled in. But if you're running a live campaign, automatically these details will also be asked from the lead only. So my campaign is in draft mode. That's the only reason that I don't have the option to fill in these details. I only have the option to fill in this email address and the phone number. So I've filled it in, and now let's just click on this submit. We have successfully submitted this. So let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So what is going to happen is, first of all, Pabbly is going to capture the details of our lead, and then further we're going to nurture them. And now before we capture the lead details, I'll just let you know that you have two options. When it is saying waiting for webhook response, the first option is you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time and create the automation using the real lead details. The second option is create the test lead like I did by submitting in the form yourself, and then capture the details for the same lead and create the automation using the test lead details, but it is going to run perfectly fine for a real lead too. And as you can see, I've successfully captured the details over here. Now let's just nurture this lead, and whatever I'm just going to create this automation for, it is going to run for real leads too, no need to worry. Okay, so we have captured the lead details. Now we want to nurture this lead. So in order to nurture these leads, what you can do is send them an email, send them SMS, send them WhatsApp messages, add their details in sheets, add their details in CRM. You can do much more. So what you can do is one by one you have to add action steps for whatever you want to do. So I'll just give you a small example of sending the WhatsApp messages. So we have to click on this add new action step, and now in order to send these WhatsApp messages, I am going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. You can use any another platform tool like Vati, AI Sensi, WhatsApp Cloud API, Pabbly supports all of them. You just have to search for the same and you have to select it right over here. So I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, so I've selected the same. For the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. If you haven't connected Pabbly Chat Flow till now, click on add a new connection, and where's the token? So to get this token, just open your Pabbly Chat Flow account. And because you have watched this video till here, I'll just let you know one more special thing. First of all, you have to go on the accounts page. It will redirect you. So go on this Pabbly Chat Flow access now. And after we open the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow, first of all, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chat Flow. If not, you can add it directly from here. A video tutorial is attached. You can refer to this video and learn how to add your WhatsApp number. Now what you have to do, First of all, if you would like to try Pabbly Chartflow, we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chartflow too. And further, if you like Pabbly Chartflow and if you want to purchase the subscription plan, the discount coupon code is valid for Pabbly Chartflow and Pabbly Connect both. So yes, this discount coupon code is only for you and it is valid for both. Okay, so now let's just see how we can get the API token. So for that, from the left hand of the side, go on this settings and then go on this API and webhooks. And you're going to find this API token. So just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. I have already added this connection, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. You just have to paste the API token, click on this save, and your account will be connected. Once your account is connected, we are good to go. We have to enter the recipient WhatsApp mobile number over here. So we have received the lead's mobile number, so we're just going to enter the same. But over here's a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. So simple, right? Now for the WhatsApp message, I'm just going to copy the WhatsApp message from my previous workflow. If you also want the same WhatsApp message, you're going to find the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can refer to that and get the WhatsApp message from there. So what I'm just going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to correct the formatting of this WhatsApp message and then we're going to move on further. So as you can see, I've successfully corrected the formatting of this WhatsApp message. Now we are good to go. What we're going to do is, we're just going to simply map the details. So first of all, we're just going to map the name of the lead over here. So you know how to map the details. You just have to delete this name, put a slash, search for the name and map it. Now same, I'm just going to map the company name. Oh, we're going to see that I've put stars. Why I've put the stars? Because I want to bold some text, and in order to bold some text, I'm just going to add the stars in the front and in the end of the text which I want to bold. So I'm just going to map the company name to over here. So as you can see, this WhatsApp message is completed. Let's move on further. It is asking me for many other details, but all of these are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out. For the keys, just switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. And over here, if you have received the real lead details, you don't have to change this. And also while creating the test lead, if you have entered the real phone number, you don't have to change this. Okay, just move on further, click on the save and send test request. Make sure that you only have to map the WhatsApp number, otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. I just did this to show you the example. So as you can see, we have received the positive response that the message is sent. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see, yes, we have received this message successfully, which says, hi Pabbly, this is Rahul from this company, and yes, we help businesses like yours to generate more leads. So this is the message which we have sent and it looks perfect. So now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, instantly a message something like this will be sent towards my lead, and all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. Like this, I can nurture my LinkedIn leads not only by sending automated WhatsApp messages, we can send automated emails, automated SMS and much more. You can try Pabbly Connect, create multiple automations. We have multiple tutorials on how to nurture LinkedIn leads on our YouTube channel. You can refer to that too and create automations yourself. Don't forget, when you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. Apart from Pabbly Connect, we have multiple tutorials on Pabbly Chartflow too. You can refer to that too. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more automation tips and tutorials like this, to subscribe our YouTube channel. It can be really helpful for you and your business, because all the businesses are moving towards automation now. Why not yours? Apart from this, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.